Hello, let's explore Newton's Cradle. With this, we will discover how motion, energy, and momentum all come together in action. Newton's Cradle is a device made of five or more identical metal balls hanging in a straight line by strings. When we pull one ball away and let it go, it strikes the next ball, transferring its energy through the line, causing the ball on the opposite end to swing out. This might look like magic, but it's just physics. Now let's learn science behind it. First, we will learn Newton's third law of motion. Second, we will see conservation of momentum, and third, conservation of energy. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When one ball hits, the force travels through the others, pushing the last ball outward like this. Conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum states that total momentum before and after a collision stays the same in a closed system. Here, the momentum from the moving ball is passed through the still ball and transferred to the one on the opposite end like this. Conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can't be created or destroyed. It only can transferred. Here the energy from the first moving ball is transferred to the last ball, which swings out with almost the same energy as the first one. Thank you.